Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into Photoroom.com, a popular photo editing app with a free tier. We'll explore all the free features, the good, the bad, and everything in between to help you decide if it's the right tool for you.
Login.
Select a photo.
Photoroom's star feature. It uses AI to automatically remove backgrounds from your photos, perfect for product listings or creating clean portraits. You can adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and more to enhance your photos. Get a head start on social media posts or marketing materials with pre-designed templates for various platforms. Pros of Photoroom. Now, let's talk about the good stuff. Easy to use. Photoroom boasts a user-friendly interface, making it perfect for beginners or those who want a quick and simple editing experience. AI-powered magic. The background removal tool is truly impressive, especially for a free app. Templates galore. Having precise templates for social media is a huge time saver. Batch editing efficiency. Batch editing allows you to edit a large number of photos simultaneously, ideal for product sellers. Cons to consider. Of course, no app is perfect. Here are some things to keep in mind. Limited free features. While the free version is decent, it lacks advanced editing tools like blemish removal or selective editing. Watermarks. Free edits come with a Photoroom watermark, which can be a deal breaker for some users. Export limitations. Free exports are limited in resolution and format options. Is Photoroom worth it? So, should you use Photoroom? Here's the verdict. For beginners casual users, if you are new to photo editing or just need basic background removal and social media optimization, Photoroom's free features are a great starting point. For businesses professionals, if you need more advanced editing capabilities or watermark-free exports, consider upgrading to the Pro version. Photoroom offers a good balance of ease of use and functionality, especially for its free features. Ultimately, the decision depends on your needs and editing goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more app reviews and editing tutorials.